Hi there. My name is Michael Jones. Welcome to the next video in this series. Investor and Crypto Videos for Beginners. Today, I am going to discuss Kishu Inu Coin. What is Kishu Inu Coin? A cryptocurrency marketing itself as DogeCoin's big brother, that was recently launched. Similar to DogeCoin, Kishu Inu features its own Japanese breed of dog, on the face of the virtual currency. Following in the wake of meme success stories like GameStop and DogeCoin, Kishu Inu's new dog-themed meme cryptocurrency aims to help usher new entrants into the crypto space. According to its whitepaper, Kishu Inu is on a mission to bring popular cryptocurrency concepts to the mainstream, in an easy-to-understand project. When was Kishu Inu started? Launched in April 2021, Kishu has already experienced significant growth and currently lays claim to a $2 billion market cap and more than 100,000 holders. In a notable departure from many new cryptocurrencies, Kishu is a fully community-owned project, with no tokens allocated to its development team. Kishu Inu was created with the sole purpose of proving to the world that a meme coin could become much more than just another meme project. Kishu Inu has boosted awareness with tweets and billboard adverts in Times Square, New York. Where can I buy Kishu Inu? Kishu is currently available on some cryptocurrency wallet apps that use Wallet Connect. These wallets are MetaMask, Trust Wallet and Coinbase Wallet. Kishu isn't listed on the main exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase, but runs its own platform and can also be found on CoinTiger, Bidder and OKX. Can I make money buying Kishu Inu? Newer coins such as Kishu Inu can also be more risky, as they don't have a long track record. It can be harder to verify their value and performance, with very little history. Kishu currently has a very low per coin value, but if you invest a lot, it could see a big jump if the market moves upwards. Nothing is guaranteed when it comes to crypto markets though. For more money and crypto talks, please follow my YouTube channel.